Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a fun activity and it's called coconut trees. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. For this activity, you're only going to need a few household items. If you have a hula hoop or any type of ring, that will work as long as you have 4 of them. And if you have some soccer balls, those are the only items you'll need for this activity. All right, so here's the setup for this activity. I have my 4 hula hoops, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have some soccer balls that I put inside of the hula hoops. Now, Jordan has 2 coconut trees that he's going to be holding on to. I have my own 2 coconut trees that I'm going to have my coconuts in. What I need to do is I need to collect as many coconuts as I can from Jordan's tree and bring it back to my tree. Okay, at the end of the game, whoever has the most coconuts in their coconut tree wins. Now here's the catch. If I start over here and I steal a coconut from Jordan's tree, I have to run back and toss it and put it back in my coconut tree. Now, I cannot steal from the same tree, so I can't go back to the same hula hoop and steal from my coconut tree. I now have to go to the next coconut tree, grab only one, and then run back and drop it off my coconut tree. I give my students about 30 seconds to play the game, and then they swap out with another player. Jordan has a total of 5 sock balls in these hula hoops, and I have a total of 5 sock balls in my hula hoop. So we have the same amount at the beginning. At the end of the game, we're going to see who has the most. Go. Alright, so as you can see, the main idea about spacing it out is making sure that it bumps into each other like it's one activity. So make sure that you space it out enough. Go. Well, we really hope you enjoyed that game of Coconut Tree. Please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
And when you guys comment, please let us know. How did this game feel for you? Did you have a lot of fun? Did you play with your friends? Did you play with your family members? Drop a comment below. We really appreciate your comments. As always, at the P spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.